So you said you'd let me try this thing out?
The actual seat on there and it'll bolt right the fuck. You gonna take it with the seat delete?
Is the seat off right now?
No, it's like a
it's
always gonna be a tab, but it's on there. It ain't going nowhere. That shit ain't going.
Yeah, that's alright, as long as it doesn't fly off. But yeah, let me take it around the block a little bit.
Yeah, make sure you test the brakes. The block off the one. I end up taking off the I need to tune, right? I need to touch it. Not yet. That's the one thing I need to do is tune it.
Just lean back. Lean back.
When we were riding back there and I saw you, I was like, I'm looking, I was like,
ABS. Where's his fucking mirrors? Clutch is a little questionable. What was that? The fuck was that? Huh?
turn torque control off.
Oh, okay. Did you hear it click when I did that?
If you hold it, your butt just slid back on the seat.
No. The chain like clicked. I think that was the torque control locking the wheel so I didn't wheelie.
Try it now. It's turned off. If you hold it, it'll turn back on.
Okay. Alright, let's try that now. I was wondering, I thought it had traction control, but I didn't see any buttons. Torque control.
I was coming to tell you the same thing.
Still's got something. That's probably what it is. Old slappy chain. You want it back?
No, just watch your seat back.
Oh, it's your seat.
Yeah, I'm about to ride.
I got you.
That looks so good.
I know.
Yeah, this thing's pretty alright. It picks up kind of weird. It's not as smooth as the FZ. Yeah, it's real torquey.
This one's not as torquey in the low end as the MT.
Yeah, but it's got a long first gear so you can ride it.
No, just hit it. Just hit it later. Now look.
Oh, okay. Okay, see? Gotta learn a few things.
No, yeah. I've had to replace the back these with like the actual locking mechanism.
So wait, what bike do you have? That yours is that orange or that red thing right there, right?
Yeah, it's something that red thing right there.
It's the same bike, he's just got fairings.
Gotcha.
And a
Oh, yours is a 650 too?
650 or CBR.
These are gonna be the fuckers that get the cops called on us. still low.
Yeah, you're pretty low on this one. But you were, shit, it gets up there.
Yeah.
I just feel like it's got to be sketchy to lean all the way back because there's so much to lean back.
No, not really. It's just, it feels kind of twitchy, but I'm in first gear compared to second on the MTs. I do second on MTs.
See, and you're a little bit more experienced with wheelies, which makes me feel like this is not the bike to
No, this is a pretty good bike for it, honestly. It's better than a lot of bikes. Like, you're a lot better off on this than you are on quite a few other bikes. Yeah. Like the R3 she's trying to learn on, you got to give it so much more gas. This one will come up pretty easy.
See, and that's kind of why I went with, I didn't want to get anything below 600 because I know it's going to be too hard to get it to where I want it to be. I'm going to get too bored. I wanted to have that torque.
Yeah, but it's better to get a small bike and learn, because then if you make mistakes, you're doing it on a small, cheap, and slow bike.
Right. Something easily replaceable. Are they racing?
I guess.
Hell yeah.
I'm going to take this thing around once or twice more and probably get back to you.
Yeah.
You going to try any or what?
I'm going to try a little bit.
Yeah, I've been just doing first gear, like...
Second gear clutch out.
Huh?
That's the easiest way. Second gear clutch out.
I'm doing first. It's got a really long first gear.
But you used to it. He's learning, so that's how Green's learning.
Second gear, you have to be going faster to do them, so there's more risk if you fall. First gear, you're going slower, but it is twitchier. I guess try both. I'm gonna go follow them, I think.
Are you gonna go lap them?
Nah, not on this thing.
Remember torque control.
I got it.
It'll always show 2 lights.
Yeah, it's off right now.
Yeah, you're good.
There he is. We got another one. I didn't like for a second. Yeah, I think I've had enough fun on this thing. It's pretty alright. Kickstand's in a mega weird fucking spot. It's good. I keep hitting the fucking foot peg. He's got the fucking 3-inch these things. And I keep hitting that. I probably wouldn't try second. First gear's fine.
See, I was trying second. That's why I wasn't.
I tried second at 20 and it didn't even want to lift.